Hey couture creators, welcome to the Dressmaking Academy affiliate program, where sharing your passion actually pays. Love our courses and patterns? Tell your audience and earn a generous 30% commission on every single sale. VIP memberships included, no exclusions, no earning cap. Sign up in seconds. Scroll to any page footer, click Affiliate Program, then become an affiliate. Enter your name, email, and password. Add your PayPal now or later. If you already have an account, simply click on Login. Inside your dashboard, you'll see your personal referral link. Copy it, post it, or grab a QR code in one click. Anyone who buys through that link is automatically tagged to you. Need a special coupon for your followers? Email us your idea and we'll whip up an exclusive code that tracks straight to your account. Deep link anywhere. Want to spotlight a specific product, like our bustier pattern set? Paste any Dressmaking Academy URL into the product link tool. Out pops your own trackable link. Click Save to keep it handy. Under Media Assets, you'll find your marketing toolbox. VIP membership landing link. Use this link for the best results when driving traffic. Other handy shortcut links. High-res promo graphics and finished garment photos. Short promo clips and B-roll video. Email templates and branding guidelines. Download, post, done. Here you'll also find materials for special offers and sales events. The Analytics tab shows clicks, conversions, and revenue in real time. The Payments tab lists what's pending and what's already paid. To get paid, make sure to add your PayPal email under Settings and Field Payment. We issue payouts on the first 30 days after each month closes. Example, June sales land in your PayPal on August 1st. And that's it. Simple, transparent, and profitable. Got questions? Drop us a line at info@dressmaking.academy. Let's create couture magic together.